Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm really excited to share something that has genuinely impressed me. I've been exploring some affordable aquarium products that offer incredible value, and I think you're going to find them just as useful as I have. Most of us have probably spent way too much money on aquarium products that looked good on the shelf, but didn't really solve our problems in a practical way. We've all been there. You buy something expensive, use it once or twice, and then it sits in your aquarium cabinet gathering dust. That's exactly what makes today's products so refreshing. They're affordable, they're useful, and they actually address real issues that we face in this hobby. What makes these products special? What impressed me most about the products I'm going to show you today is that they're designed with real aquarium hobbyists in mind. These aren't mass-produced, generic solutions that treat aquarium keeping like a one-size-fits-all hobby. Instead, they're thoughtfully designed items created by people who understand the actual challenges we face. I've been in the aquarium hobby for quite a while now, and I've learned that some of the best solutions don't come from huge corporations. They come from within our community, from passionate people who take the time to really think about what we need and create practical solutions. What's really special is the price point. Every single product I'm going to show you today costs under $20. That's right, under $20 for quality solutions to problems that most of us deal with regularly. At that price range, you're getting exceptional value, and that's something worth celebrating. Who should watch this? Whether you're a beginner just getting started with your first tank or an experienced hobbyist maintaining multiple setups, this video has something for you. If you're interested in improving your aquarium maintenance routine, better organizing your aquarium equipment, growing healthier aquatic plants, managing your fish breeding projects, finding affordable solutions to common aquarium problems, then this video is definitely worth your time. So, I'm going to walk you through these products today, show you exactly what they do, explain why I think they're valuable, and give you my honest opinion about each one. If you find them useful, I'll make sure to link everything in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. First product, aquatic plant anchors. Let's start with the first product, aquatic plant anchors. Now, if you've ever tried to plant stem plants or manage plants in your aquarium, you know how frustrating it can be. Plants want to float, roots take time to develop, and you end up wrestling with them every time you do a water change or tank maintenance. These plant anchors solve that problem beautifully. They're simple in design but incredibly effective. You just place them around the base of your stem plants, and they hold them securely in place while the roots develop. What I really appreciate about these is that they're made from a safe, inert material that won't leach anything into your water or harm your plants. I've used them in planted tanks, and they make such a difference, especially when you're working with faster-growing stem plants. Instead of spending 10 minutes repositioning plants during maintenance, they stay exactly where you put them. The cost? Under $20, and honestly, you get way more than you'd expect. Second product, breeder box organizer. Next up is something that's been a real game changer, the breeder box organizer. If you keep isolation boxes for fry, sick fish, or breeding projects, you know how messy things can get. You've got equipment scattered everywhere, nets tangled together, food containers taking up space, and it's just chaotic. This organizer is designed with aquarium enthusiasts in mind. It has compartments for different supplies, hooks for hanging equipment, and a design that maximizes space efficiency. I've got mine set up next to my aquarium setup, and it's cut my prep time for maintenance in half. What really stands out is how thoughtfully it's designed. The compartments are sized appropriately for common aquarium supplies. Your feeding containers fit perfectly, your nets have dedicated space, and everything is accessible at a glance. No more digging through drawers or searching for that one piece of equipment you need right now. Third product, water change helper. The third product addresses a problem I didn't even realize I had until I started using it, the water change helper. Now, water changes are essential for any healthy aquarium, but they can be time-consuming and sometimes messy. This tool helps you manage the water change process more efficiently. It's designed to work with standard buckets and hoses, and it makes the process smoother and more controlled. I've noticed that my water changes are now faster, and I have less spillage and disruption to my tank setup. Fourth product, substrate separator. The fourth product is the substrate separator. This one is especially useful if you're maintaining multiple tanks or if you like to use different substrates for different purposes. Substrates can get mixed together, which compromises their effectiveness and creates a messy appearance. This separator keeps your substrates organized and prevents mixing. Whether you're using sand, gravel, or specialty substrates, this tool ensures they stay where you want them. Fifth product, filter intake guard. Moving along, let's talk about the filter intake guard. This is something that every aquarium keeper should consider. If you keep small fish, fry, or delicate aquatic organisms, filter intake can be a real hazard. This guard is specifically designed to prevent fish from being pulled toward the intake while still allowing water to flow freely. The mesh size is carefully designed, fine enough to protect small fish, but open enough that it doesn't reduce your filter's flow rate significantly. What I appreciate most is that it's made from durable, non-toxic material that's safe for all fish and plants. Installation is straightforward, and it's barely noticeable in your tank once it's in place. Sixth product, plant weight system. The sixth product is the plant weight system. While the anchors we discussed are great for stem plants, the plant weight system is specifically designed for carpeting plants and low-growing species like dwarf hairgrass or other ground cover plants. These weights hold down carpeting plants while they're establishing, ensuring they don't float up and get pushed around by current. This is crucial if you're trying to create a carpet look in your aquarium. Seventh product, aquarium maintenance caddy. The seventh product is the aquarium maintenance caddy, which has become one of my favorite tools. This is basically a portable organizer that holds all your maintenance supplies in one place, making it easy to grab everything you need and head to your tank. The design is clever. It has compartments for different tools, a handle for easy carrying, and it's sized to fit on shelves or under cabinets. I keep mine stocked with scrapers, thermometers, testing equipment, and other maintenance essentials. When I'm ready to do maintenance, I just grab the caddy and I'm good to go. What's particularly impressive is how well thought out the compartments are. They're sized for actual aquarium tools, not just generic storage containers. It's clear that whoever designed this understands the real-world needs of hobbyists. This is the kind of product that saves you time and makes your routine more efficient. Eighth product, feeding ring deluxe. Now, the eighth product might seem simple at first glance, the feeding ring deluxe. But hear me out. If you keep multiple species with different feeding habits, managing where food goes can be a headache. This feeding ring is designed to keep food in a specific area of your tank, preventing it from spreading everywhere and getting lost in the substrate. This is especially useful if you have fish that need their own feeding areas, or if you're trying to observe how much your fish are eating. The upgraded version includes features like a weighted base that stays in place and adjustable sizing that works with different tank dimensions. It's a small product, but the quality is evident, and the price is incredibly reasonable. I've been using this, and it's made feeding time much more organized and easier to manage. Ninth product, substrate vacuum extension. The ninth product is the substrate vacuum extension. Standard gravel vacuums are useful, but they can be awkward to maneuver in densely planted tanks or tanks with lots of hardscape. This extension gives you more reach and better control. The extension connects to your existing gravel vacuum and allows you to reach into tight spaces without disrupting your tank's layout as much. This is particularly valuable if you've spent time aquascaping your tank and don't want to tear it apart just to do maintenance. I've found that this tool saves time during maintenance and reduces the stress on your plants and hardscape. It's another example of how these products address real problems that aquarium hobbyists face every day. 10th product, aquatic plant fertilizer dispenser. The 10th and final product is the aquatic plant fertilizer dispenser. If you're dosing fertilizers for a planted tank, consistency is key. However, manually dosing every day can be tedious, and it's easy to forget or miscalculate amounts. This dispenser allows you to set up consistent dosing, ensuring that your plants get the nutrients they need on a regular schedule. The design is simple enough that you don't need advanced knowledge to use it, but it's effective enough for serious planted tank enthusiasts. The precision is what really impressed me. You can dial in exactly how much fertilizer is dispensed, which means you get the results you want without overdosing and creating algae problems. Complete product summary. So to recap, we've covered aquatic plant anchors, breeder box organizer, water change helper, substrate separator, filter intake guard, plant weight system, aquarium maintenance caddy, feeding ring deluxe, substrate vacuum extension, aquatic plant fertilizer dispenser. Each of these products is under $20, and each one addresses a genuine need in the aquarium hobby. What strikes me most is how these products work together as a coherent system. It's not random selection. It's a carefully curated collection of tools that cover different aspects of aquarium keeping. Product quality overview. The materials used across this entire product line are consistently high quality. Everything I've tested feels durable and well made. There's no cheap plastic that feels like it'll break in a month. The materials are safe for aquatic environments and won't affect your water chemistry, something crucial when dealing with aquariums. I've been using several of these products for an extended period now, and there's been no degradation or issues whatsoever. That's a good sign for longevity and reliability. These aren't products that will fall apart after a few months of use. Value proposition. Where these products really shine is in practical value. Each one solves a specific problem without requiring you to spend a fortune. Most aquarium products fall into two categories. Either they're cheap and poorly designed, or they're expensive and over-engineered. These products occupy that sweet spot in the middle. The breeder box organizer, for example, would cost 2 to 3 times as much if you were buying comparable organization systems from mainstream aquarium retailers. Same with the plant anchors and the substrate vacuum extension. You're getting quality solutions at a fraction of typical retail prices. Honest assessment and considerations. I do want to mention a few things that could potentially enhance these products. First, some of them could benefit from coming in different size options. Not all tanks are the same, and additional size choices would make these products even more versatile for different setups. Second, while the pricing is excellent, bundle deals for purchasing multiple products could provide additional value. If you're buying several items from this product line, package discounts would be attractive. These are minor points though, and they don't detract from the overall quality and value proposition. Cost-benefit analysis. Let's do some math. If you purchased all 10 products, you're looking at roughly $200 total, assuming each is close to that $20 mark. For a comparable package of aquarium organization and maintenance tools from major retailers, you'd easily spend $400–500. On a per-item basis, you're getting roughly 50 to 60% savings compared to buying equivalent products from mainstream sources. That's significant savings without compromising on quality. When you break it down, you're essentially getting professional-grade aquarium tools at a fraction of typical cost. Who benefits from these products? These products are ideal for serious hobbyists who maintain multiple tanks, aquascapers focused on planted tanks, anyone interested in breeding fish, people looking to streamline their maintenance routine, budget-conscious aquarium keepers who value quality. Even beginner aquarium keepers would benefit from most of these products. They make the hobby more accessible and less frustrating for people who are just getting started. Some products lose their appeal quickly, but I think most of these will remain useful for years. The plant anchors, weights, and organizers are timeless solutions to consistent problems. Even as aquarium trends evolve, these products will still be relevant and functional. The durability I've observed suggests these aren't throwaway products. They're built to last, which means your investment will continue paying dividends for years to come. Based on my experience and evaluation, I genuinely recommend these products. They're well-made, practical, affordable, and they solve real problems that we face as aquarium hobbyists. If you're looking to improve your aquarium setup without spending a fortune, these are absolutely worth checking out. The links to everything are in the description below. Browse through the products, see what fits your needs, and don't hesitate to reach out to the creators if you have questions. They're responsive and genuinely passionate about helping aquarium enthusiasts. Before I wrap up, I want to emphasize how much I appreciate discovering products like these. In an era of mass production and impersonal commerce, it's refreshing to find quality solutions designed specifically for aquarium hobbyists. These 10 products represent practical innovation in the aquarium community. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or just getting started, there's something valuable here for you. The focus on affordability without sacrificing quality is exactly what our hobby needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more aquarium content. I'll continue exploring products and solutions that help us enjoy this hobby more fully. Drop a comment below, letting me know which products interest you most or what aquarium challenges you're facing. Thanks so much for watching, and happy fish keeping.